Hill from DoneRight Management. We are at Elk Ridge in McCall. Going to do a quick video tutorial on the television that's up here in the loft game area. And so this is a Samsung smart enabled television with a Wii Cable 1 and a DVD player down here. Just scroll through the source. AV1 is set for the Wii. Screen mirroring if you have your smartphone. HDMI 1 is going to be your Cable 1 system, and then the HDMI 2 DVI is the DVD player. And then, of course, right in the middle of the button, or right in the middle of the remote, is the home button, which is going to allow anyone to go through and incorporate the streaming services right here. So whether it's Netflix, YouTube, Vudu, and Prime, Hulu, go ahead and enter your details and your information for your account, and you can watch all the streaming services available, as well as there's a bunch of free items out there as well. So if you have any further questions while you are staying here at Elk Ridge in McCall, you can give us a call at DoneRight Management, 208-634-0030. Cheers.